Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. In this video, I am happy to be a part of this collaboration. Our hosts are DIY with Aurea and Loli Creations. As co-hosts, we have At Home with Gigi and Z9 Designs. The links to their channels and the playlist will be posted in the description box. Right now I am in the garage and I am very excited about these DIYs. So let's get started. Let's open these wooden shelves from Dollar Tree. We will need 2 packs for the 4 sides of our box. For the heart lantern or box, we will need 4 picture frames, also from Dollar Tree. I have seen other ones that are more square and a little bigger, but I couldn't find them. So I am going to go ahead and remove the packaging to cut them with my saw. I am cutting these picture frames 3/4 of an inch from the heart, the same as the other side. Next, I will cut the bases for both boxes, as you can see here. Using my mini miter saw, I will cut the corners. These boxes can be done in different ways. If you don't want to cut corners, measure your 4 sides to make a rectangle and cut your base accordingly. Here are all the wooden pieces for the heart box nicely cut. Now it is time to glue them together. By the way, I will be following the same steps for the second box. Friends, this is my first video in 2024. I hope you're having a great start. Thank you to all my subscribers for an amazing 2023. If you are new, welcome and consider subscribing, as I have more exciting projects coming soon. And here are all my pieces nicely cut for my second box. It is time to glue all the pieces together. I will put this box aside and let it dry, and get started on my third DIY. For this project, we will need a wooden picture frame, some thread, small nails, and embellishments. First, using my mini handheld drill, I will make holes the same size as the thickness of the nails. This will prevent the wood from splitting. Next, I will paint the picture frame in black. I want the heart to stand out. After the paint is dried, I will apply a coat of Mod Podge. I will put my picture frame aside to let it dry, and I will continue gluing the other sides of my heart box. Now that my picture frame is nice and dried, using my hammer, I will insert the small nails, as you can see here. The next step is the most fun one, which is to place the thread around the heart. Also, instead of making knots, I will glue the ends for a seamless finish. While building the picture frame, I decided to create a base from a paint stirrer. Now the picture frame will have better stability. Now it is time to glue all the corners for both boxes. I will have all these items for sale. If you are interested, please contact me via Facebook or Instagram. For the picture frame, I decided to use metallic stickers and a wooden heart to spell the word love. Using my Proxen sander, I will make both boxes nice and smooth. Next, using my handheld drill, I will make some holes to glue the push pins. I was very impressed with this paint. I really like the color, and it only needed 2 coats. After this, I will apply a coat of Mod Podge. I will use this faux leather and a thin cutting board from Dollar Tree for the handles. The thin cutting board piece will keep the handle to stay in shape. I will cut all the pieces and sew them together with my sewing machine. Next, it is time to glue all the push pins for both boxes along with the handles. Here is the final reveal. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. The heart box is multi-purpose, as it can be a lantern, a picture frame cube, or an organizational box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.